adding designations. Welcome back. Now let's learn how to add designations to your Resourceby system. This is where you define all the job titles your organization uses and create the reporting structure that reflects your real-world hierarchy. Click the yellow Add Designation button. A form slides in from the right, titled Add Designation. The first field is name. This is required, marked with the red asterisk. This is where you type the job title. The placeholder text suggests team lead as an example, but you can enter any designation your company uses. Think about your organizational structure. Entry-level positions might be junior engineer, trainee, assistant, or intern. Mid-level roles could be engineer, supervisor, coordinator, or specialist. Senior positions might be senior engineer, manager, team lead, or head of department. Executive roles could be director, vice president, or chief officer. Be clear and specific with your naming. Instead of just engineer, consider civil engineer, structural engineer, electrical engineer, or mechanical engineer if these distinctions matter in your organization. Type your designation name clearly. For example, let's say you're entering project manager. This becomes the official title that will appear on employee records, reports, and throughout the system. Now for the parent field. This optional dropdown is where the magic of organizational hierarchy happens. Leave this blank if you're creating a top-level designation, perhaps CEO, managing director, or department head. These are the highest roles in your structure with no one above them. Or click the drop-down to select a parent designation. This creates a reporting relationship. For example, if you're adding team lead as a designation, you might select project manager as the parent, meaning team leads report to project managers. Let's think through a complete hierarchy example. You might create CEO with no parent, then create director with CEO as parent, then create manager with director as parent, then create team lead with manager as parent, and finally create various specialist roles with team lead as parent. This creates a 5-level reporting structure that reflects your actual organization. For a construction company, you might have managing director at the top, then project director reporting to them, then project manager reporting to project director, then site supervisor reporting to project manager, and finally site foreman and various worker designations reporting to site supervisor. With a parent, click the Save button at the bottom. The system creates your new designation immediately, and it appears in the designation table. The name column shows your entry, and the parent designation column shows the hierarchy relationship if you set one. And that's everything you need to know about managing designations in Resourceby. You can now create your complete job title structure, define reporting hierarchies, and build the organizational foundation that supports all other HR functions. Your workforce structure just became clear, organized, and easy to manage. Thank you. See you in the next module.